Have you ever had thoughts like, I'm not good enough, I'll never make it, I always screw things up? We've all had them, but here's the truth that no one ever tells you. You are not your thoughts. Just because a thought pops into your mind doesn't mean it's real. It doesn't mean it defines you. You are not your fear. You are not your doubt. You are the one who realizes it, and you have the power to choose something better. Welcome to You Are Undefeated. Let's put those negative thoughts out of your head together. 1. You are not your thoughts. In the labyrinth of Mia's mind, shadows of self-doubt whisper incessantly, painting her worth in shades of uncertainty. She wrestles with these thoughts, each a nagging reminder of her perceived inadequacies. As the days pass, however, she learns to push these whispers aside, realizing that they are merely constructs, not the essence of who she is. Through quiet reflection and compassion, Mia unearths a vibrant identity beneath the noise, realizing that her true nature is a beacon of resilience, far beyond the boundaries of her fleeting thoughts. 2. Thoughts are just weather. Mia began to see her thoughts as weather patterns. Some days, dark clouds of self-doubt loomed overhead, casting shadows that chilled her spirit and clouded her identity. Other days, the sun would break through, illuminating her strengths and revealing the vibrant essence she often overlooked. She learned that just as storms pass, so too could her negative thoughts. Embracing this perspective, Mia began to appreciate each fluctuation, understanding that her true self remained constant, resilient, and ready to bloom despite the shifting skies. 3. The inner critic isn't you. Mia often found herself trapped in a storm of self-doubt, where her inner critic roared louder than her own voice. Each negative thought felt like a heavy cloud, obscuring her true essence. But as she began to reflect, she realized these clouds were just passing weather. With compassion and patience, she learned to separate her fleeting insecurities from her authentic self. Embracing her resilience, she discovered that even in the darkest moments, her vibrant spirit remained unscathed, ready to shine through the gloom. 4. Step back and observe. In the quiet of the afternoon, Mia paused, letting the world swirl around her while she took a breath. She watched the leaves dance in the gentle breeze, their movements reminding her of the whispers of her thoughts, fleeting and ever-changing. Each rustle echoed a lesson. Just as the weather shifts, so too do her feelings. In this stillness, she felt a deep connection to everything around her, realizing that beneath the noise of self-doubt, her true essence remained vibrant and unscathed, inviting her to embrace the beauty of simply being. 5. Thoughts come and go. Thoughts, like clouds drifting across a vast sky, come and go with a fluidity that often surprises us. One moment, the sun breaks through, illuminating our potential, and the next, dark shadows loom, whispering doubts and fears. Mia learns to watch these patterns, recognizing that each storm eventually passes, leaving clarity in its wake. By embracing the impermanence of her thoughts, she discovers that they do not dictate her reality. Instead, they serve as fleeting moments, shaping her experiences, yet never defining the vibrant essence of who she truly is. 6. You can choose a different thought. Mia woke each day to a storm of self-doubt, her mind swirling with harsh judgments and insecurities. But one evening, she stumbled upon a quiet moment of reflection that changed everything. The metaphor of weather struck her. Thoughts were merely passing clouds, not the clear sky of her true self. Embracing this idea, she began to consciously choose brighter thoughts, opening herself to new opportunities and connections. With each positive choice, she felt her spirit soar, revealing a vibrant world she had long overlooked. 7. You are bigger than the noise. Mia stood before the mirror, her reflection a canvas of uncertainty. Whispers of self-doubt clouded her mind like a storm, urging her to shrink away from her dreams. Yet, as she began to observe these thoughts, she realized they were merely passing clouds, not the essence of who she was. With each breath, she reclaimed her space, choosing to embrace the sunlight of positivity. Each empowering thought chipped away at the noise, revealing her vibrant spirit, teaching her that her true strength lay not in silence, but in the powerful symphony of her authentic self. The next time a negative thought shows up, pause. Don't fight it, just notice it, and remind yourself, this is just a thought, not the truth. You are not your fears, you are not your doubts, you are not your past, you are the awareness behind it all, the one who chooses, the one who rises, and that makes you powerful, that makes you unstoppable. You are not your thoughts, you are undefeated. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks.